Hello, beauty. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. This is Slim Cheesy, and today's recipe is crunchy puff puff. Let's make it together. And my ingredients are all-purpose flour, using cinnamon. You can use nutmeg if that is what you have. I have sugar and instant yeast. Now let's get this yeast activated. And to do that, I have an empty bowl and I'll just add in my yeast. Two teaspoons of sugar as a base for the yeast. And I'm gonna add warm water and stir that. To my old and new subscribers, how is it going? Wishing you and your family a happy new month. Have a prosperous month ahead. May this month bring you joy and happiness. Happy Easter. Once that is well stirred, cover and leave to rest for 5 minutes. As we're waiting for the yeast to activate, let's sieve the flour. So I do this to remove some particles that I do not want to, enter the flour. And again to avoid lumps when making the dough. So here, I'm done sieving. Let's mix the dry ingredients. And for that, I have sugar. Just add in some more sugar. Add my cinnamon. Like I said earlier, if you prefer nutmeg, you can use that as well. So here I have a little milk powder that I'm just adding. I like adding a little milk to this. It's optional though. So just mix. So here is the yeast water. Look at it now. You can see it's well activated. You can see those bubble up there. So it's time. Yes, it's time to add the yeast water. So once your oil is well heated, begin to scoop in your dough. You can use hand to do that. You can use a spoon to do that. And I am frying on a low heat. So you fry until you get this brown color. You fry on a low heat so that the puff puff can cook on the inside and not to just turn brown on the outside while the inside is not yet cooked. So make sure you fry on a low heat so your dough can, or your puff puff can cook on the inside and be crunchy on the outside, just like mine. Yeah, guys, you can see how beautiful my puff puff came out. Thank you so much for watching. That's it. I'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and remember to be happy this festive season. Happy Easter once again. Till I see you again. Bye.